How are you everyone? My name is Michael and I'm here to discuss why my team and I picked the stock of Johnson & Johnson. I want to begin by saying a famous quote from Warren Buffett and where he says that he doesn't invest in what he doesn't understand. So it is very important for individuals before investing in a stock to have an idea of who the company is, what do they do, and what products do they have to offer to the market that will make them successful. So, who is Johnson and Johnson? What do they do? Johnson and Johnson is an American multinational pharmaceutical company founded in 1886. They embrace research and science, also bringing innovative ideas and products and services to advance in the health and well-being of people in general, the consumer. Why pick Johnson and Johnson? First, to pick Johnson and Johnson is common sense. One, people's health is their number one asset. Regardless if the stock market is up or down, mental and physical health will always be a priority. And also, Johnson and Johnson offers a huge variety of product lines, and they also invest in so much on future research, which is good. Looks is very good for your stock. For future research, things that will work will make your stock go up and will make you more money. Also, it is very important to look where Johnson and Johnson is standing in the pharmaceutical industry. Um, First, Johnson and Johnson is the world's sixth largest consumer health company. They also have the most comprehensive medical devices in the healthcare business. Um, they're also the world largest biologist company and the world fifth largest pharmaceutical company. So they doing very good to be in that position in our world. So that's something that makes them very attractive and profitable and profitable for the future. Also, I want to discuss a little bit more of the product. They have many consumer products in the market. They offer product for skincare, vision care, oral care. I have here one of the few products that I personally use from Johnson and Johnson, which is um, baby oil, which is a very good stuff. I've been using this product for many years. I recommend it to you guys. Also, Listerine oral care. So these are things that you can find in any CVS pharmacy that you go around the country here in the U.S. They also offer in medical devices product in the for healthcare professional in the fields of orthopedic, neurological diseases, diabetes, infection prevention, and products that diagnose people and for heart diseases and aesthetic. Um, Also, what makes Johnson and Johnson a good stock and very attractive is that they always investing in new innovation for the future. Right now, they're working for to fighting HIV, to destroy the disease of HIV, and to prevent baby to be born HIV free. They want babies to be born HIV free, and they're working on on research to actually treat the disease and get rid of HIV. They also investing in artificial spine. So they have these metallic spines that um that will be introduced on people's spine by surgery, and which supposedly is going to make them feel better. And also they also working on surgical robots, basically machine that will do this surgeries themselves without the need of a doctor, per to treating and cutting, etc. And also, besides looking at all these great things about Johnson and Johnson, I just wanted to bring up a little of details of downsides or investing in a pharmaceutical company. Basically, the risk. One of the risks that they have is basically that the drugs that they develop might not work, that FDA might not approve them, and if a drug is actually approved, it might run the risk of doing poorly in the market. However, should Johnson & Johnson stock worry about that? My opinion, no. First, Johnson has a variety of products that if one fails, the company can rely on the success of another product. Plus, the company brand is one of the best in the world. And